Now, Patrick and Allison, we're here today to celebrate, of course, this particular moment in your journey. That moment really of becoming husband and wife. But we're also here to celebrate the journey itself, the journey that brought you to here, to this place today. The choices you've made, the circumstances, the adventures that led you to really choosing one another as life partners.
From this day forward, I, Patrick, promise you, Allison, these things. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I will share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding. I will speak to you with encouragement.
From this day forward, I, Allison, promise you, Patrick, these things. I will help you when you need it and step aside when you don't. I will remain faithful to you, for better or for worse, in times of sickness and in health. You're my best friend, and I choose to spend today and all of my tomorrows with you.
Now, marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging of adventures of any human relationship. No ceremony you two can create your marriage. Only you can do that. And you will do that through love and patience, through dedication and, of course, perseverance, through talking and listening, through helping and, yes, supporting, and believing in each other through tenderness and laughter.
So without further ado, to kick things off, I'd like to welcome in the newlyweds, Allie and Patrick.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Allison, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow.
With all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Patrick, we appreciate your positive, enthusiastic, and thoughtful and kind demeanor and the way you treat our girl, Allison. You and Alice make a great team and have lots to look forward to.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Patrick, it's been so lovely to get to know you over the years. From our times in Edinburgh and Toronto, you always know how to bring the party and the facts, and I look forward to many more celebrations together.
Because this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Patrick and Allison, it is my pleasure to officially pronounce you husband and wife. Patrick, you may now kiss the bride. For the very first time, the newlyweds, Allison and Patrick. Woo!
Enjoy the journey of marriage together. We don't doubt it'll be a fantastic one. We wish you all the best. We love you both.
To Patrick and Allie, our dearest of friends, you're about to look at life through a brand new lens. Let's raise a glass to the new husband and wife. Here's to the start of a brand new life.